Hello, my name is Shinazong,
And I'm Ricky.
and this is the Science Show.
Alright, so for today we're going to be doing Charles' Law, and the materials are going to be matches, a bottle, and eggs.
And the procedure is that we're going to light the match, put it in the bottle, and set the egg on the bottle, and the egg will slowly seep through.
Alright, so here it says it is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's all the work. So it's volume 1 over temperature 1 equals volume 2 over temperature 2. And so the first volume, it was 16 fluid ounces, which goes to 0.47 liters. And then the temperature was 297 degrees Kelvin. And then volume 2 is our X. And then the temperature 2 is 873 degrees Kelvin, because at first it was 600 degrees Celsius.
Okay, now that we've done the experiment, all we need to find is V2.
Alright, so to start it off, we need to cross multiply, so we 0.47 times 873, which is going to be 410.31 equals 297x. And now we divide 410.31 divided by 297, so that is, it's going to be 1.38 liters. And this is volume 2. That's it.
We're going to be doing Gay-Lussac's Law. So we're going to need an empty soda can, a pot, ice, and hot water. So for this, we're going to be putting an empty can into cold water, and it should shrink up. And then we're going to take the same can and put it in really hot water, and it should change the volume and make it bigger.
Alright, so we're getting the temperature of the cold water right now. Alright, so still dropping a little bit. Looks like it's about 32 degrees. So that means 0 degrees Celsius, and that's, so right on this thing. And the pressure one we found to be 4.2 atm, and the temperature one is now 273 Kelvin, equals, the P2 will be the X, and now let's get temperature 2. Okay, so now this is the boiling water. Might be a little hard to see, it's getting blurry, but it's about 165, no, 170 right now. Still going up actually. It looks about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, it's still going up? It's still going up. Going up, alright.
Okay, so now we're doing the actual experiment. And so whenever we drop this in cold water, it should shrink. Yeah, it has. See?
That really works, okay.
Okay, now that we put in the cold water, we put in the hot water.
Alright, let's try to push it down a little bit. I'm not touching that.
The volume should increase.
Oh, alright. Seems like it expanded. There we go. Alright, sweet. Okay. We'll just leave it in there for now. Okay, pause. Alright, so now that we did the experiment, let's find X. So we do 4.2 times 355, which is 1,491, which equals to 273x. And now we divide both sides by 273, and that is 5.5 atm, and that's pressure 2. Oops.
Dude.